In this video, we're going to show you to install tow mirror replacement caps on your Nissan Frontier, located on the back side of your mirrors. Now on the inside of your replacement cap here, you're going to have 4 mounting tabs, and they're shaped like a T. Now what we're going to do is we're going to push on the bottom portion of our glass, and that's going to allow us to get to the 2 upper tabs on the inside. Now on the inside, we're going to use a 90-degree pick. We're going to go in above the glass and lift up and push out on these tabs here, and then gently pull on the cap to try and release these 2 bottom clips as well. Using a light, you can go ahead and look down inside. Use your 90-degree pick, locate that tab, gently push up. Use your plastic trim tool. Get in behind there and just gently work this around. And then continue this here, and so you can go ahead and pop that cover off. Now we're able to release this here. Our bottom tab had broke, but that's the reason why we're replacing this anyways. You could have a damaged cover, or maybe you want to put on a chrome cover or a smooth cover, something that's not textured. In that case there, you have your replacement cap. Make sure you line this up properly. You have your tabs are going to line right up on the inside. Line it up. Snap it into place. Fold your mirror back. Adjust your glass. You're all set. If you need to, go ahead and repeat that process for the passenger side.